Lighting can completely transform a bedroom, turning it from ordinary to extraordinary. The right lighting not only illuminates the space, but also creates atmosphere, highlights textures, and enhances the overall design. In 2026, bedroom lighting is all about elegance, luxury, and versatility, the kind of details that make spaces look like they belong in high-end magazines. In this video, we'll explore 20 bedroom lighting ideas that the wealthy often use to elevate their spaces. From statement chandeliers and layered ambient lighting to subtle accent lamps and smart systems, these ideas will inspire you to create a bedroom that feels luxurious, relaxing, and perfectly styled. 1. Layered lighting. One of the key secrets in luxury bedrooms is layered lighting. This means combining ambient, task, and accent lighting to create depth and flexibility. Ambient lighting sets the overall mood. Task lighting helps with reading or work, and accent lighting highlights artwork, architectural features, or decor. When combined thoughtfully, layered lighting transforms a bedroom into a visually dynamic and inviting sanctuary. 2. Statement chandeliers. A chandelier is more than just a source of light, it's a centerpiece. In 2026, rich homeowners are choosing chandeliers that reflect their personality, whether it's a modern crystal design, a minimalist geometric shape, or a sculptural piece that doubles as art. Placing a chandelier above the bed or in the center of a spacious bedroom adds elegance, sophistication, and a sense of grandeur. 3. Pendant lighting. Pendant lights are versatile, stylish, and perfect for creating focused lighting. Luxury bedrooms often feature pendants on either side of the bed instead of traditional bedside lamps. This approach frees up space on nightstands while adding a modern, curated look. Designers are experimenting with glass, metal, and mixed materials to make pendants a statement in themselves. 4. Recessed ceiling lights. Recessed lighting offers clean, subtle illumination that enhances the bedroom without being overpowering. It's perfect for modern and minimalistic designs where you want a well-lit space without visible fixtures. In 2026, recessed lights often include dimming capabilities, allowing homeowners to adjust brightness and create the perfect ambience at any time of day. 5. Wall sconces. Wall sconces are a popular choice for high-end bedrooms because they combine functionality with style. Placed strategically near the bed or along walls, they provide gentle, ambient light while freeing up space on bedside tables. Contemporary designs in matte black, brass, or gold finishes add a touch of luxury without overwhelming the room. 6. Smart lighting systems. Technology meets luxury in smart bedroom lighting. Homeowners in 2026 are integrating smart bulbs, automated dimmers, and voice-controlled systems. With just a tap or a voice command, you can adjust brightness, change color temperature, or create preset lighting moods for reading, relaxing, or getting ready for sleep. Smart lighting adds convenience while making your bedroom feel effortlessly modern. 7. LED strip accents. LED strips are a subtle but powerful tool for transforming a bedroom. Installed under the bed frame, behind headboards, or along coving, these lights create a soft glow that enhances depth and adds drama. Luxury bedrooms often feature customizable LED strips that can shift color according to mood, season, or time of day. 8. Cove lighting. Cove lighting is an elegant technique where hidden lights are installed in ceiling recesses or cornices. This indirect lighting casts a soft, warm glow across the room, eliminating harsh shadows and creating a luxurious ambience. It's subtle, sophisticated, and makes the ceiling appear higher, which adds a sense of spaciousness. 9. Statement floor lamps. High-end bedrooms often include tall, sculptural floor lamps as both lighting and decor. Placed near reading nooks or lounge corners, they provide focused light while doubling as art pieces. Materials like marble, brass, and glass give these lamps a rich, tactile quality that enhances the overall design. 10. Bedside table lamps. Classic but always essential, bedside lamps in luxury bedrooms are carefully chosen for both aesthetics and functionality. Designers are selecting lamps with sculptural bases, rich textures, and soft, warm lighting. Coordinating the lamps with other fixtures ensures a cohesive, elegant look that feels curated rather than generic. 11. Chandeliers over seating areas. For larger bedrooms with lounge zones or reading corners, a secondary chandelier or statement pendant above the seating area adds layered lighting and a luxurious feel. This approach defines different functional zones while maintaining a unified, sophisticated look. 12. Accent lighting for art and decor. Highlighting artwork, sculptures, or architectural details is a subtle luxury trick. Small directional spotlights, track lighting, or adjustable accent lights draw attention to key pieces without overpowering the room. This adds personality and makes the bedroom feel like a curated space rather than a generic setup. 13. Natural lighting and window treatments. Even the most luxurious artificial lighting can't replace the elegance of natural light. Floor-to-ceiling windows, sheer drapes, and layered curtains help maximize daylight while maintaining privacy. Rich homeowners in 2026 are also incorporating skylights and reflective surfaces to bounce natural light around the room, creating warmth and spaciousness. 14. Mirror-integrated lighting. Mirrors with built-in LED lighting are increasingly popular. They combine utility with design, reflecting light while illuminating vanity areas. This approach enhances both function and style, providing a soft, flattering glow that's perfect for bedrooms. 15. Color temperature control. Luxury bedrooms emphasize the importance of light tone. Warm white creates a cozy, relaxing ambience, while cooler tones enhance clarity for reading or getting ready. Modern systems allow users to adjust color temperature dynamically, tailoring lighting to the activity or mood. 16. Layering textures with light. Lighting can enhance textures in your bedroom, from plush carpets to velvet upholstery. Rich people often use multiple light sources to accentuate fabrics, finishes, and surfaces, creating depth and sophistication. Thoughtful illumination makes textures pop and transforms the room into a visually rich retreat. 17. Chandeliers in walk-in closets. For those with walk-in closets, chandeliers or statement pendants are not just practical, they elevate the dressing area into a luxurious space. Proper lighting helps with outfit selection while creating a boutique-like atmosphere. 18. Mood lighting for relaxation. Dimmer switches, soft lamps, and underbed lighting allow homeowners to control ambience. Luxury bedrooms often feature multiple moods for different times of day. Soft and warm for winding down, bright and clear for work or reading, and gentle accent lights for a romantic or cozy setting. 19. Outdoor connected lighting. In bedrooms with balcony access or large windows, lighting can extend outdoors. Subtle exterior lights or lanterns create a seamless indoor-outdoor flow, adding elegance and a resort-like feel to the bedroom space. 20. Personalization through lighting. Finally, the richest bedrooms reflect the personality of the homeowner. Custom fixtures, artistic pendants, or unique sculptural lamps create individuality and ensure the lighting doesn't just illuminate, but enhances the room's character. Personal touches make the bedroom unforgettable and truly luxurious. And that's it for today's video on 20 bedroom lighting ideas rich people use in 2026. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more modern home styling ideas.